At a recommended retail price of just $1.99, many games for the Spectrum were specifically produced for sale in small shops.
These are relatively cheap, you know, a couple of pound each. I think they'd make a killing in a corner shop.
By the end of the decade, kids were spending more money on computer games than music,
Exactly what I was looking for.
providing another way for corner shops to make a few quid.
All of them for only £2.
£2? Oh, wow.
Me and Ben got given by Sarah. Yeah, that sounds right. Thank you very much.
But not all profits came from stocking the latest fads.
There you go, mate. There's your change.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye.